Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone who loves chilled beverages or needs ice on the go. We recently came across the Aeitto Ice Maker, a fast self-cleaning countertop machine, and we've provided a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aeitto Ice Maker? This compact ice machine is designed to produce ice quickly and efficiently. In just 6 minutes, it can create 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes, making it a fantastic addition to your kitchen, office, or even your RV. With a maximum output of 26 pounds of ice per day, it ensures that you'll never be left without ice, whether you're hosting a family gathering, heading to a picnic, or just wanting to keep your drinks cool. One of the standout features of the Aeitto Ice Maker is its ability to produce 2 different sizes of ice cubes. This versatility allows you to choose the right size for your needs. The smaller cubes are perfect for mixing into iced coffee, tea, or cocktails, while the larger cubes are ideal for food preservation, smoothies, and seafood. Having the option to customize your ice experience is a significant advantage, especially if you entertain frequently or have different preferences in your household. Another great feature of this ice maker is its dual viewing windows. These windows are designed for convenience, allowing you to monitor the ice making process and easily check the ice storage level without having to open the lid. This feature keeps you informed at all times, so you'll know when it's time to refill the water reservoir or when the ice basket is full. Now, let's talk about maintenance. The Aeitto Ice Maker comes equipped with an auto-cleaning function, which is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their appliance in top condition. To activate this feature, all you need to do is press and hold the on/off button for 5 seconds. This function helps to remove scale and impurities, ensuring that your ice is always clean and hygienic. For optimal performance, it's recommended to clean the machine once a week, which is a small effort for the convenience it provides. In terms of design, the Aeitto Ice Maker boasts a sleek and space-saving profile. It's compact enough to fit seamlessly into kitchens, bars, RVs, or offices without taking up too much space. Its lightweight, plug-and-play design means you can easily carry it around, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings or travel. Plus, its modern style adds a touch of elegance to any setting, whether it's a cozy kitchen or a lively bar. So, who is the Aeitto Ice Maker suitable for? This machine is ideal for families who enjoy iced beverages, professionals who need ice for their drinks at work, or anyone who loves entertaining guests. It's also great for those who enjoy outdoor activities like camping or picnics, where having a reliable source of ice can elevate the experience. In practical use cases, imagine hosting a summer barbecue and needing ice for your drinks. With the Aeitto Ice Maker, you can quickly produce enough ice to keep everyone's beverages cool. Or, if you're planning a cozy movie night at home, you can whip up some ice for your favorite drinks without any hassle. It's also perfect for those who enjoy crafting cocktails at home, ensuring that you have the right ice on hand for every occasion. In conclusion, the Aeitto Ice Maker is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enhance their beverage experience. With its quick ice production, customizable sizes, easy maintenance, and elegant design, it's a reliable companion for various settings. Thanks for watching. If this video helped